Foreigners cannot buy property in Vietnam as freely as brokers claim? Foreigners can easily buy property in Vietnam. Sounds familiar? Many foreigners living in Vietnam see the real estate market growing and think, maybe I should buy an apartment here. And that's where the problems begin. Under Vietnamese law, foreigners cannot freely buy all types of property. If you only listen to brokers without understanding the legal rules, you could end up paying real money, without having real legal ownership. So before buying property in Vietnam, make sure you understand the law first. Many people think, foreigners can't buy land, but buying apartments is easy. Not exactly. Under Vietnamese law, foreigners cannot own land like Vietnamese citizens. Apartments can only be purchased in certain approved projects. So don't rush to buy just because the apartment looks nice, or you may later realize the property cannot legally be under your name. Under current Vietnamese law, foreigners are only allowed to own commercial housing, not any type of real estate they want. In addition, foreigners may own only up to 30% of the apartments in a condominium building, and the ownership term is normally limited to a maximum of 50 years. So before buying property in Vietnam, make sure to understand the law first. Don't just rely on what brokers say about buying freely. What is the biggest risk? You pay real money, but the legal ownership may not belong to you. Especially if the transaction violates legal regulations, the contract could even be declared invalid. Which means, you lose money, the dispute drags on, and there is no guarantee you will recover your investment. Vietnam is a very attractive market for living and investment. But attractive does not mean foreigners can freely purchase any type of real estate. So before making any investment decision, make sure to carefully review the legal basis. And if you need assistance, you can contact Hankuk Law Firm for consultation.